Yep, that's it. So they converted it into a pickup truck. That's cool, man. Yeah, so we have something cool we're gonna show you guys right now. It's actually a real 77 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow 2, and this client converted it to a pickup truck, which is pretty cool. So we're gonna go and take a look. This car's here for a lot of stuff. We're gonna go see what we're gonna do. Now this is cool, I think. It's fun. Really, really cool. I like it. You know what we can do, guys? You know what we can do? We can back up right there because there's parking.
Okay, for sure. Yeah.
And then once we're ready to go, the guys will help us out. Yeah, at least we have parking there. Just try to control it to where you go and park right there.
Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have any brakes or anything, so I can't fire up the engine to get pressure on the brakes on here.
It's fine. You know what? We'll help you, I guess. Hey.
I didn't realize he unhooked it. Holy shit.
It's okay.
Wait. Did you unhook the winch?
It's okay. It's okay. We got lucky. Nothing happened. That was scary.
Yeah.
It's okay. We're good.
Yeah, that was my
It's okay. Nobody got hurt.
Yeah.
Whew. Ow. Hey guys, we have a 1977 Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow 2. It's a very, very unique car. This car also was converted into like a pickup truck, which is even cool. So this was a 4-door, by the way. Once upon a time, it was a 4-door, and now it's converted into a pickup truck, which is really, really cool. So yeah, we have some work to do on this car. We're gonna do some mechanical. Also, we have some. We're trying to see if we're gonna get the body back to what it was, and just get it better. Get it back to new and running good and looking good. So yeah. That's why it's here. And I almost got ran over by this one. It's pretty cool. Yeah. I like it. It's a nice one.
All right, car came in for a detail and some paint correction. We're gonna have to correct a lot more of the paint than we thought. This is pretty wrecked. There's I don't know what that is, like a belt or something holding the bumper together, as you can see. Bumper's completely falling apart, headlights are gone, hood is completely broken, sadly. Fenders, some mechanical stuff. There's a lot going on with this. Obviously, we have to tear it down to see it's going through insurance, and there's a Urus S, so it is a little bit of a newer Urus as well. So we're gonna have to do an insurance claim on it. Well, the customer is, and we are going to fix it. We might upgrade this car to a 1016 kit. We will see. This currently has a prior design kit on it, and it's a little bit funky. You can see this is the hood vent. It's not a hood replacement. It's a hood vent that goes on it. It doesn't even go with the design of the hood. I don't know what that is. Also, the flares, all that stuff might look okay on it, but they are in pretty bad condition. They're all like wavy. Looks bad. So I think this customer is going to want to do a full upgrade to this thing and make it look like an RDB build, so he'll be happy once and for all. So we'll see.
Otro Brabus que vamos a hacer. Para eso. Sí, but we're gonna make another Brabus body kit. We just let it go one already. My friends over here, they got already all the parts. They take it out. We're gonna fix it parts by parts, piece by piece, to make sure we don't have nothing wrong. We're gonna see what we're gonna paint and what is not going to be painted. So for the moment, this is another piece. Also be paint. You see, but you have to mess up which part you have to go or which side you need to be painted. We have this piece already over here. This one is good for the hood and coming already with clear, so we don't have to do nothing. We have to put in the part in the set. Vámonos, carnal.
You
say for the light.
going on China Blue. Never mind. This kit we're prepping, we're gonna paint these.
Body color or black?
Yeah, it's the question.
That's the question that we need to know to don't stop.
So the car is China blue. It's
China
like blue.
blue.
It's like nice blue.
I
It's not this.
so the mini is we're gonna paint
I think
the
black.
whole thing. No, whole thing blue.
No. No,
Couple
it'll
parts,
look
only
funny.
left couple parts
It'll
black.
look funny. Let me go on.
And the other
computer.
one looks good, and when I saw
Let me go do some designing, and I let you know. But prep it for paint. The rest of
All
it.
right then.
I have a 2004 Land Rover Discovery. It's a really, really fun car though, you guys. Seriously, it might be old, but it's a really cool car. It's in here for mechanical repairs. Car is overheating and has a coolant leak. We're gonna check it out, see what it needs, get this thing back on the road. Customer's never selling this car. She's been bringing this car forever. So she does not want to sell it. She wants to keep driving it, and that's our job. We gotta make sure that it's still okay to drive for another 10 years. So we have this beautiful Porsche, but there's a lot of noise coming when you're making a left and right. So we're gonna see what we need to do. We need to get service. So yeah, some stuff to do. First thing, we have to do an inspection and see what's going on. Javier's the doctor.
Doctor.
I would say more like
That's doctor.
I think he's the chiropractor. Yeah, of course. Yeah. So here's what's happening. We can go for a drive. I don't know if it's normal or if it's thick, but it's making some noise. We gotta go see what's going on. I don't think it's...
He's driving?
Yeah, so basically when you go like this, all the way to the left and all the way to the right, all the way. You know how Mercedes has that little thing that slips a little bit, which is normal, tire things, but this is making noise, like it might be like an accident, something's going on. Weird. So go for a drive so you can feel it.
Is that the car?
One more time.
Okay, why?
Again. One more. No, do it. See? You tell him to do it, he won't do it. Again, go. Keep going. Alright, one more. Yeah, like kids. You tell them not to, they do it. You tell them, more. Keep going. Go again. Keep going. Keep doing it.
Hey, Rolls-Royce door. Let's drive this Rolls-Royce outdoors. How about that? You guys want to see inside of a Rolls-Royce door? Here you go. Not much to it. You have your little speaker right here. It's cute. You have your door handle, which is still attached. Kind of cool, right? You have your door lock pin. This indicates if the door is locked or not. As you can see, it goes up and down. This is when you open this, it pulls that. That's how it unlocks the latch. This is like the door 101 right there. And obviously all the wiring right here, as you can see, I don't know what this does, but it probably has like a button or it goes to the mirror maybe, something like that. This is the cover, window sits in there, and you never want to touch that. And it's sealed real nice too, so air doesn't go in there, that kind of stuff. You have your door module right there, which every door has. As you can see, that rear door over there also has that. Let's go over to the rear door. Well, actually, let me show you this. This is obviously really unique to Rolls-Royce because this is actually the rod that pulls the door, closes the door for you. So this, in the past, used to break and we had to fix them, but as you can see now, all the doors have this, including the rear doors right here. So this is a rod again. It goes in here and it pushes it. Rear door also has a speaker, another door handle, module, kind of the same idea. So that's what you get in a $500,000 Rolls-Royce door.